welcome to my channel. Добро пожаловать and labdien. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes, perfect for summer. It's a cold beetroot soup called Holodnik. And Холодник is actually traditionally a Lithuanian origin, so I'm really close neighbor to Lithuania, so we also have it in Latvia, and I absolutely love it. There's various recipes, but this is the one that works really well. It's super easy and it's so refreshing. Not only is it refreshing and delicious, it's also super healthy for you, not because it's got the beetroot, it's got the buttermilk, all these vitamins and all this deliciousness in one bowl. I really hope you try this soup. Don't be afraid of the color, it's very purple, but it's because of the beetroot, so it's all natural, there's no additives or anything like that. It's just so yummy and perfect for summer. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get started.
Take your green onions and chop them up into nice pieces. You want this as a decoration, and I know that a lot of people like to put this into their soup as well. Then add them into your large pot. You want to use a large pot so it makes it easier to mix all the ingredients together. So I call this a no-bake soup because it doesn't require any cooking. Take your cucumber. You can also use small summer cucumbers if you have them in your country. If you don't, these cucumbers work really well as well. This soup is so fresh. It's so refreshing in summer, especially on a hot day. You will love it. So you want to take your cucumbers and you want to cut it into nice sort of slices, just like that, and then into little squares. Because this soup has a lot of sort of bite and texture from all the raw vegetables, you want the slices to be very small and bite-sized. However, it's completely up to you, and if you want bigger chunks of cucumber, you can also do that. So you want to chop up all your cucumber and then add this also into your pan together with your onion.
As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below.
Here I've got my beetroot. I've cooked this for about 45 minutes on the stove, and I'm just going to grate this in my food processor. You can also do this by hand with a grater. This is just much quicker. And the longest part of this recipe is cooking the beetroot, so you might want to do this in advance. Once the beetroot is nice and grated, you want to add this into your soup mixture. Then add mustard, horseradish, and you can also add any other spices that you like, but these are the classical ones. I'm also adding some lemon juice, salt, and I'm also adding a bit of sugar just to balance out the flavors of this soup. But again, this is optional. And then you want to add your buttermilk inside and add obviously the real buttermilk, or you can use kefir, whatever you can find in your country. And this is just delicious. You can't really replace it with anything else, so make sure you can find this. And buttermilk has a lot of bacteria, healthy bacteria that are really good for your gut as well. So you want to mix everything together, and that's when the soup will turn this beautiful bright purple color, which I absolutely love, and it just screams health to me. And then you want to add cold water. You can use bottled water, or you can use water that you've already boiled and then cooled down. So don't add the tap water, it needs to be boiled water. Lastly, you want to hard boil your eggs, and I absolutely love eggs in my soup. To serve this, you want to add your bright pink soup into a bowl, and it's really healthy, really delicious. It's very low calorie and it's so good for your gut. The beetroot is amazing, the fresh cucumbers are amazing, and of course the buttermilk gives it that creamy texture. Serve it with an egg and some chopped scallions, or we call them here green onions, and enjoy.